into it a little bit more. I got 51 subscribers off of this short, y'all. Stop playing now. The proof is here. HG family, what's good, man? Hey, I can call y'all family now because I got 100 subscribers, man. 100 plus. We on the road to 200 now. We're moving fast, baby. Let's do it. Keep sharing, liking, subscribing, all that. If you ain't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We on the road to 200 subscribers, man. Yeah. I want y'all to rate my fit in the beginning of the video. I had to go back and watch it myself, and I ain't gonna lie, I had to take that jacket off. That bitch threw everything off. But it's kind of cool outside, and I ain't really got no hoodie. That color, my black hoodie dirty. The top that go to these bottoms right here, that y'all see me with, them hoes, like, it's a short sleeve, so I'm gonna be 2 short sleeves here now. I'd rather just put that bitch on, because it's a button up. I'd rather just put that bitch on and leave it, you feel me, the buns out, but I thought it was gonna be kind of cold, so I ain't even put that on. But yeah, rate my fit from the beginning. Let me know what shoes y'all think I got on. Y'all think I got them Dunks or them Air Force Ones on? Like I said, I went back and watched the video myself, and I want to see if y'all think I know how to dress. Do y'all think I know how to dress? Based on, you feel me, what happened after that video, because I had to go back and look at it myself. But yeah, I'm on the way to get my granddad right now, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Alright guys, we made it to my grandpa's house. I don't think I'm gonna record us going out to eat. I might record the food or whatnot, but I ain't gonna record all of it, cause you know how old folks is, they want them like all them cameras and shit out. That police ass shit out. They ain't with all that. But yeah, I'm finna go in there and get him. Then we're gonna make our way downtown, walking fast, face ass. Yeah, I got them on, y'all. I ain't fucked the fit up, man. I ain't fuck it up, man. I ain't fuck it up. But yeah, I'll probably see y'all tomorrow when I continue celebrating these 100 subscribers, man. Thank all of y'all again. Appreciate y'all for subscribing. Let's get it, man. We're gonna come with some fire ass content, man. Get it to him. I ain't really been doing vlogmas, but kinda, if you want to say that. Yeah, see y'all tomorrow.
Oh, no, one I just bought.
Oh. They got some copyright in here. I know they do. They're gonna be fast, right? They did. That's fast. What up, man? We back with it. How to get 100 subscribers in a week. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys. So the first one gonna be free promotion. I know many of y'all have the other social media outlets such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I don't feel like it's worth paying to promote your channel, especially when it's not monetized yet. That's just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? The other apps that you use every day, you can just promote yourself on those, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to beg for people to support you, those that's gonna support that they gonna support. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta beg nobody to support you.
All right, I'm gonna give y'all a look at my Facebook page. I'm gonna go to my profile, and as you can see, I got 1.5K friends, which is not a lot for Facebook, but it's still a decent amount of people to advertise your YouTube channel with. I mean, you share everybody else's stuff, why not share your own? As you can see, I shared one of my videos on Facebook. I'm pretty sure I got some clicks from Facebook as well as some subscribers. I mean, you gotta take a chance. You got to. Don't be scared. All right, on Instagram, I think I got 480 followers, which is not a lot either for Instagram, but I mean, it's still some. Put the link right there.
Short videos.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna take a look at my YouTube studio. As you can see, I have 153 subscribers. Woohoo! Shout out to me. You do what I'm saying? We're gonna take a look at my most popular short. And as you guys can see, I published it December 6th, and it has 18.4K views right now, 616 likes. Going a little deep into it. I have 51 subscribers from this short. So, I mean, I'm not lying, y'all. This is the proof. Short videos, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, promotion, guys. Stay consistent. I haven't been as consistent with the videos as I have been with the shorts because of my subscribers, but, you know, I reached that 100 mark, so I am going to start dropping more videos. So just make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and there will be more content on the way. Shout out to you guys. Thank you. And now, don't get me wrong. Every short not going to do numbers now. You got to make sure you present it to the people right. You know what I'm saying? Celebrities is good for shorts. Funny videos. You know, great content. You know, be creative when you publish a video. And everybody know this is the ultimate goal. Let's get it. I help you, you help me.